Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to reveal to you a newly launched platform that was launched on the 11th of December 2022, and this platform is really paying, guys. So I'm going to reveal this platform to you, and also you can also invest in it and make money from the platform as well, guys. So if this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel, see my videos on YouTube, please kindly smash the red subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you miss any video when I drop it on this channel, guys. So we are getting close to 2,000 subscribers. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's get to that 2K subscribers, guys. And also, if you enjoy this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and also share this video to your friends so that you can also benefit from what I'm sharing in this platform, guys. So guys, if you have not seen this video, how to make money on miratel, this platform right here, miratel, this platform is really legit. It's paying, and I've made close to 80k in just 2 weeks of launch, guys. So you can also see my withdrawal proof right here. So I've make money from this platform and they are still paying. So if you want to join this platform, you can use the number you are seeing on my screen, or you can check the description to join my group, and also DM me to get started on this miratel as well. The platform is paying and it's still new and fresh, so this is the best time to join this type of platform, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the video and let me show you the platform we're going to be looking at today, guys. So the platform is new. So the name of the platform is called Share Energy, guys. So this platform is just like sunpower. For those of you who did sunpower, you know sunpower is a good platform. So this platform is just like sunpower. So this platform was launched on the 11th of December. So guys, this is how it is. You can see once you register, you'll be given 50,000 naira of free. You can use to buy your miner. Then the miner will be making money for you for free. Then you can't withdraw it except you have deposits on this platform. And on this platform, they are currently having just two plans that you can purchase. The first package is 3,000 naira, and the second package is also 8,000 naira. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do everything, how to recharge, withdraw, and also buy the machine that will be mining for you. So if you want to get the machine, let me show you the two package they have so you can see it right here. So this is the first one. It's called Covenant Charging Bank. So you can see the device package is 3,000 naira, and you'll be earning hourly. You'll be earning per hour. These earnings are small, but they are really this platform is going to be a long-term project. So yeah, that's why the earnings are really small. So on this 3,000 naira package, you'll be earning 3.2 naira every hour. So you'll be seeing your monthly payback period, your estimated total income, and also this is the other package, 8,000 naira. You'll be earning 9.6 hourly, and also your payback period as well. So these are the various power bank. This is 6O power bank, will be launching soon, launching on the 25th of December. So I'm just still waiting for them to open this one, so I'll also get this one as well, because I'm currently at the 8,000 naira plan right here. So this is the next one. This is also launch they are going to open it on the first of um first 16th of January 2023. So the same thing goes with this one as well, and this is the last package they have. So you can just go through this and see it for yourself. This platform is legit and it's still paying, guys. So let me show you how to make a deposit on this platform, guys. So go to your home. So once you are here, you just click on recharge. Then once you click on recharge, you can see they have two payment methods. They have global pay and QPay. So if you are going for the 3,000 naira plan, you go for the 3,000 plan. If you are going for the 8,000 naira plan, you go for the 8,000 naira plan. This 12,000 naira is not yet out. It's going to be out on 25th of December. So that's even Xmas day. So this is it. If you are going for the 8,000 naira plan, you go for the 8,000 naira plan. Then you click on recharge. So once you click on recharge, it's going to redirect you to your browser. So because I'm currently at the app, I'm using the app currently because they have their own app on Play Store. If you click in the link in the description, it's going to take you to the sign up form. You are going to put your name and your phone number, then you register. It's going to take you to Play Store for you to download the app. So once you have click on recharge, it's going to take you to this payment method right here. So this, as you can see right here, you can use cards to make payments. You can use bank transfers, you can use USSD. So if you are using a bank transfer, this is what you will do. You click on copy this account number. This is the bank name, then this is the account name. So what you have to do, if you are using a mobile phone, you go to your app, your banking app, then you paste this link, the account number there, then you see the Wema account there. If you want to register on OPay, because I'm using OPay to run online business, that's the fastest way to do online business, because on OPay they have free transfers as well. So no transfer fees or anything. So you just need to use, if you want to use OPay, the link is also in the description. You click on the link, then you download OPay and register as well. So, and if you also refer your friends on to OPay, you also get some commissions as well. So once you have made payments, then as you have sent the money to this account number, you click on I have made payment, then they are going to show you successful. Once you have done that, you go back to your app, you go back to the app. Then once you have gone back to the app, you are going to go to your main account. Then you will see the account on your total assets. Once you have it on your total assets, you'll be seeing the money you sent here. Then you click on this device section, then you buy the device you want to buy. So if you deposited 8,000 naira, you click on buy, then they say confirm, you click on confirm, then you have already bought your device. Then for you to see your earnings every hour, if you want to claim your earnings once you have bought the device, for you to know if it is working, you click here on my device. So once you have clicked on it, you see that I'm currently using the 8,000 naira plan right here. So you can see I've already earned 9.6 naira. So if to claim it, you click on receive, then you just see that it's going to load up. Like you're going to see what you have earned. Then click on color, you click on the color right here, then you see your money will transfer to your total assets. So that's how to do it every single hour. If you don't want to be doing it every hour, you can just leave it. Then maybe you want to be doing it on a daily basis, you leave it, then you come back again every day, you claim it. That's just it. And once you must know, they also have a cash cow account, like or what is it called, management, finance management. So what it means is that once you make a deposit, if you want to do it, you, like for example, I have 1,174 naira here. If I want to do this, I have to put in 1,000 or click on deposit. If I'm going for this 10 days plan, you can see every 10 days I'll be getting 20%. Then my total return will be 1,200. If you deposit 1,000, you get 1,200 after 10 days. The same thing goes with this one. Put 1,000 naira. After 35 days, you get 2,100 naira. So if I want to do it, I click on deposit, then I put in the amount right here. Then after 20 days, I get 1,200 as well. So the more you invest, the more you earn on this platform. It's a long-term project. That's why you see that the earnings are not so big, guys. So let me just quick show you how to refer your friends. If you want to refer your friends as well, you click on this place right here. Then you can see once you, this is your referral link, invitation link, you copy it, then you just copy it if you want to refer your friends to these platforms. Then you click on copy, then you come here, then you can see the rules of activities, because once they deposit, you get some commissions. The commissions are not too big, 5%. On why for level 1 you get level 2 you get 2%. So that's it. Level 3 you get 3%, 1%. So that's how the referral commissions are. So this platform is a long-term project. That's just it. So you can invest now and just be earning every hour. So this platform is good. You can start it today and start making money for yourself. So to withdraw on this platform, you click on withdraw. But before then, you have to set your payment method. Like you have to do your payment method. You go to this place right here, then you click on bank card. Then you can see I'm currently put my details. I put this is my name, this is my account number. Then select your bank. You choose, I'm using OPay. OPay is also known as Paycom. So you find Paycom right here, you look for it, look at it, this is Paycom, you click on it, Paycom, then you click on submit. There's going to say for your account security, please contact customer service. Then you click on modify, okay, then that's it. Then you want to withdraw, you have to click on the withdrawal section right here, which is on the main menu. You click on withdrawal, then you put the amount you want to withdraw, then you get your money instantly. And mind you, the minimum withdrawal is just 1,000 4,000 naira, guys. So you can see this platform is really legit and paying, guys. And also, if you want to get more updates about all this platform, you can just join my WhatsApp group as well. I drop legit updates there, and also you can chat me up if you want to join miratel as well. Miratel is really paying, and I have made close to 780k on that platform as well. So if you want to join that platform, you can also join the group down there, which is the first group, and also you can DM me to get started. So it's very easy. You can see the platform news. People are making money. You can see successfully recharge 3,000 naira, successfully withdraw of 1,587 naira. So this is just it. And also you can also join our WhatsApp group. You can see how to make money right here. If you click on it, it's going to take you to their Telegram group. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to our Telegram group. So that's just it. And also, if you have referred someone, you come to this team robot for you to be seeing your team and what you have also earned. So on level 1 you will be earning 5%, level 2 you'll be earning 2%, on level 3 you'll be earning 1%. So that's just it um for this video, guys. So if you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also comment in the description if you have any question or anything at all that you don't understand, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm always online. So that will be all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.